So as you can see, Ikhwan wal Akhawat, here we are. We have reached the end of the final phase in the establishment and the completion of the masjid. Ikhwan, you can all observe and see clearly that this is no simple, small project. It is a huge complex. And it is in essence a multi-million-pound complex, Ikhwan. And here we are trying our best to complete it in a best way and a more cost-effective way as possible, Ikhwan, but it's still not a small complex. It is still not a small project. And so here, effectively, we're in front of looking at the completion of possibly one of the largest of the masajid of the people of Sunnah in the West. A project that is built to last, Ikhwan. A project that will continue way after our death, bi-idhnillahi tabaraka wa ta'ala. We've said time and time again, Ikhwan, Allah Azza wa Jal will complete His masjid with or without us. But if we input or if we put any type of donation and aid and support, or even just physical support, ayyuhal ikhwan, into the establishment of this masjid, then know that that is something that will be written for you on your scroll of good deeds, Yawm al-Qiyamah. Something that you will see even possibly after you forget about it. Something, ikhwan, that the believers here and the believers outside of the city, because the ma'had is not only going to be for the benefit of people who live in the immediate vicinity, ikhwan. That is going to be accessible for anyone who lives outside of the city, here and abroad. And so the benefit is going to traverse that which is related to the immediate city. It's going to be for all of the people of Sunnah, ayyuhal ikhwa. And so, yes, some of the affair of pricing and some of the issues has been relatively high, something that many of the people have not been able to comprehend because of the fact that many of the people are not familiar with the pricing on commercial buildings and the costings of certain things. And it was a shock, to be honest with you, for many of us, since we ourselves are new to, we haven't worked on projects similar to this one. And so the team that we have working on the project, when they're informing us of these affairs, and then when we're getting various quotes, it is even to us something that is new to us. But the reality is, ikhwan, it has to be completed. And Allah Azza wa Jal will complete His house. This is easy for Allah Azza wa Jal. Allah Azza wa Jal, lillahi ma fi samawati wa ma fi al-ard. This is easy for Allah. Allah owns and possesses everything that is in the heavens and the earth. This is easy for Allah. And so it is a trial and a test for us to see how we will fare, to see how we will participate in the establishment of khair that Allah Azza wa Jal loves. The best piece of earth, or the best place on earth, are the masajid. Ayyuhal ikhwa, we should not let these next coming few months, hopefully Ramadan, end, except that we gather that which is needed, ikhwan, to complete this so we can move on to the next project. And the next project in your city and in that city and in this area and in that land. This is how we need to be thinking as Ahlul Sunnah until Allah Azza wa Jal takes our lives. Allah yuwafikana wa iyyakum.
Ameen.